Hello, good morning. Today is Sunday. It's a lot of subscribers have asked me the question, what do you mean by strategy? Always we hear you speaking about strategy. What's this strategy, and what are the components? It means what is it, and how can we use it to make money, like in trading stocks? Okay, a trading strategy, in order to succeed, in order to make money from the market, it should have a lot of components, okay? A lot of things. And these things should be answered, okay? You should know what you are doing. It should be answered. And if you know what you are doing and you know these components, you can make a good strategy and you can make money from the market. Okay. Now, what are these components? Now, first, what is a strategy? Strategy is just a way, okay? A way to search for stocks, how to enter, how to put stop loss, how to exit. All this stuff is a strategy, okay? Now, if you don't know a strategy, you have no idea what you are looking for. Okay. Even if you know what you are looking for, you don't know how to put, for example, a stop loss. You don't know how to follow a trend. You don't know a lot of things. Now, I will in this video, I will break down the strategy into many components, and I try to explain each component by itself and give you the explanation. Now, the first thing you can imagine is how to search and select stocks. Okay, now you do swing trading. You buy some stocks, you sell some stocks each month or each week or wherever, and you want to make money. Okay, now what are your criteria for searching stocks? It means, how do you search for stocks? What's the thing that you base yourself? Are you basing yourself on fundamentals, like good company earnings and the other stuff, like investing? Or are you looking online, like newsletter, or some people put chat rooms like this, put stocks. Oh, okay, these stocks are good, and I know, and I am sure there is a breakout tomorrow, buy it. Okay, chat rooms, forums. Some people, they go to forums. Some people, even now, they create another thing which is very funny, which is called proprietary trading. It's a broker who asks other traders to come, and he began giving them information. Oh, here you can find stocks. Here you can use this indicator. It's excellent. We use it, and it makes us money. And a lot of people, they join this 200, 300, 500, and the broker plays and give them information like this. Information is useless in swing trading, and they will never make money. But because a lot of people, they like to be together, they think they can make money together. No, I'm sorry. No trader shares his profits with another one. Okay, if someone is in a stock and it's good, and he just bought it and it's good, and one day or two is good, how can he give this stock to other people? He can give out to other people if he's a beginner. He doesn't know what he's doing, because he just bought it and a few days goes out. So this is not what I mean by how to select stocks and how to search for them. There are certain criteria. Each trader has a definite few rules on how to search. I myself, I have only 2 criteria for stock screening, and I have many rules of selection of stocks. Even I use a stock screener, it's not enough. I found a lot, but for me, I want just the best of the best. Okay, now this is what we call, this is the first component, which is how to search for stocks and select them. Those are good for your trading. Second thing, when you buy a stock, what is the thing that you should do? It is a stop loss. I have I have repeated this hundreds of times or thousands of times, but still some people, they don't believe in what I say, because I say, are you making money without stop loss? They say no. So, okay, because you are losing too much. That's it. Now, how to lose a stop loss is a complex thing. It's not easy. It's not just stock is $20, you go $1 or $2 or 50 cents, and this is stop loss. No, there are a lot of things you should consider before putting the stock. Okay, before putting the stop loss. 1 minute. Okay, I'll just try to drink some coffee. This coffee is always interrupting me. I don't know why. Okay, so stop loss is complex. If anyone tells you, oh, so stop loss, yeah, okay, stock is 20, put 50 cents below it, and this is the stop loss. No, I'm telling you, if you give me 5 stocks that have the same price, let's say they have $20, I will give you, in each stock, I will give you a stop loss that it is different. You ask me why? I say because there are a lot of consideration. When I look at the stock, I give you the criteria that I do in order to put the stop loss. They are not the same, although they have the same price. Okay? So these things you should learn. It's not something that you find online. Believe me, go online. This is my challenge. I always challenge people to find something. Go online, search for stop loss, go wherever you want, buy books, but the thing that they make money, they will never give it to you. Why? It's simple, because it costs money. A trader who is using a strong stop loss, and he has different criteria, different things, and he is making money, he will never give you this for free. Understand that. That's why for me here, what I'm doing, I'm trying to explain to you that you need to understand the stop loss. Either you search by yourself, or it takes you 1 year or 2 or many years, or you would never know about it. Because I find right now, I find a lot of people asking me, oh, the stop loss is not good. Okay, so continue losing money all your life, and then you stop, and then you say, oh, it's Wall Street guys, they take my money, it's the market, it's gambling, it's no man, it's not gambling, it is not. Okay, trading is a business. You make money if you know the business. If you don't know the business, you lose money. As simple as that. Okay, if you have business, let's say you are a car dealer and you are successful, okay, and someone wants to do, he has money and he wants to do the same as you. He opens near you, but he will fail. Why he will fail? Because he doesn't know how to run the business. The business, it needs time, it needs experience, it needs tricks that you don't find online. Okay, so how to put stop loss? This is one thing. The other thing, the other component, the third component, what is it? How to follow a trend. Now, a trend, a stock, when it is going up, it shouldn't be like an arrow going up like this. Okay, sometimes a few days it goes down, sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, but on the long run, you see the trend is going up always. Okay, now how to deal with this? How to deal with this uptrend? There are techniques. There are many ways to do it, and you choose the best way for you, and you do it, and then you can make the money. Okay, you can't make the money just you buy today and you sell tomorrow, at the exception of gap up. You can't make the money. With people, they send me emails like this. They say, oh, yesterday I bought a stock which was 20. Today it was 21. Oh, ha ha ha. That's good. I make $100. I tell him, why you sell? What's the need that you sell? After a few days, this stock is 20. It comes to be 30, and you left $1,000 on the table. You give it to Wall Street guys, and you take only 100. Now, these things that I'm explaining, it needs from you open mind. It needs you that you should learn these things. These things You will never find it online or in books for free. Never, never, never. I'm telling you, these things that I am showing you here, it's from a professional trader who have been into the market many years. So I know a lot of things. In my channel, I try to give as much as I can, but there are a lot of things that cost me money. I can't give it just for free like this. So it needs that you have open mind and you search by yourself, or you do a training. Now this is the third and the fourth, which is how to follow a trend. Now these are 4 things. Now what about risk management? Risk management in your account is very, very important. It affects your trading, although it has nothing to do with your trading, but it affects your trading. Okay? Risk, it means when you want to do trades, there are certain formula that you should use in order to make your account has not that much risk. Okay? This thing you will learn. These things you will never find in books. That's why I tell you, okay, go find me like risk management in your account. You find some sentences, some like this, but the guy who's doing the article, he will never explain to you if he is if he's a trader. But if he is not a trader, like most of the people that you see online, they don't trade. They read books and they open a channel and they just speak. And when you ask them a question, what's this, what's that, they don't know, because they don't trade and they don't have an account. Okay, so it's just common knowledge, just you find in books. But the thing that makes the money, you will never find it online or in books. Okay, you cannot find a strategy that makes money with $20. You can't. You know, this is just, he gave you a general idea, yes, but he will never go into details. Now another thing is money management. There are a lot of things that you should what you call cut expenses. There are a lot of things that affect your trading account, although it's not trading. Okay, it's not trading, it's other things. Now it has nothing to do with the trade itself, but it has to do with calculations, like for example, how many trades you do, okay, commissions, fees, anything that you buy from broker, anything, news, or I don't know what you are doing. You buy things, but I know for sure that it is useless. If you are a day trader, maybe, I don't know if you can use the news or something, but for swing traders, it doesn't make sense to pay for anything else. Okay, so we say money management, we say risk management, and the last one that I want to speak is what we call position sizing. Position sizing is, it shows you, each trader has a formula for that. Okay, it's not something that it is rigid. No. Any trader has his way to do this. Position sizing is how many positions you should have in your account. Okay? You can't just buy all your money with one stock, because the risk, if there is a gap down or there is a news, bad news to this stock, you will lose a lot. And you can see that in some stocks, if you go, maybe you have done this, these trades, or you have seen them online. A stock is trading with $50, and the next day you find it $10. Now, if you put all your money, what will happen to your money? It's gone, and you will stop trading for one trade, and you will stop trading. Why? Because you don't know what is position sizing. You don't know. And this, maybe you have never heard of it. Maybe you have never heard about position sizing or money management or risk management, or how to follow an uptrend, how to put stop loss, how to search, how to select for it. All this criteria makes a strategy. Okay? So strategy is not something that you find online. Oh, this is a strategy. You buy here, you sell here. That's it. No, it's a complex thing. It's a lot of things together. Okay, that's why trading is a business. You should take time from you to learn all this stuff. Okay, it's not from one day or 1 month or two. You understand all this and you become a successful trader. And you become, because successful trader, what does it mean? Or professional trader, it means you are taking the money of others. In order to take money of others, you should understand the game of Wall Street. It's the game. Now companies, you see companies, they are working what they are doing. They are selling products and something. But the stock has nothing to do with that company. Okay? I can go, a hedge fund can go to a stock and short it. It was $50, now it is $30. Well, what does this thing to do with the company? The company, you go there, you find people, they are selling, you find managers, you find they are making money. It has nothing to do with the stock. That's why people, in their mind, they get stuck with this idea of investing. Companies, you invest, and earnings, and their stock is going down, and maybe it goes to bankruptcy. Okay, so things happen in the market. They are not logical. They are illogical. That's why you find the market is a chaos. Okay, it's illogical. You find the company that it is one of the best company in America. Okay, one of the best, earnings, money, all the people are good, the stores are clean, the CEO is the nicest man on earth, his executives are the best in terms of techniques and skills and diploma and degree and PhDs and everything. Okay, this is the best American company. But you see the price, you find for 10 years it doesn't move. So you say to yourself, what's this? What's this they say about investing? You go, for example, see Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the best companies in the world. It is everywhere in the world. Okay? It's good. Try to see 10 years, from 10 years to now. What did happen to the stock? Nothing. If you invested 10 years ago to now, you have no money at all. Go to check the price. Are you stupid? It means you try to think that there is a game. Now, this game that I am trying to explain to you, when you understand the game of Wall Street, you make the money. When you go to companies and earnings and something and you begin to do what you do with other people that are hallucinating, fundamentals and analysts and something, you will never make it online. Okay? This business is for the people who understand the game. If you don't want to understand the game, or you think that it is other things than what I am saying, you will lose by the end of the year. Okay, we are in December, so at the end of December, like 31st December, try to see your account, make a picture of your account, a picture like a screenshot, and then see what did you do the whole year. Have you made money this year? What percentage for me is not, it's not a big deal, okay? You make 10%, 20, 30, 50, 100, it's not a big deal, okay? The more you understand the market, the more you get money. Okay, that's it. Now, are you making money, or have you made money this year? Okay, first question. Or you break even. It means you make a lot of money and then you lose a lot of money. This, you have problems. Now, these problems, you should solve it next year, beginning of January. You begin to look at your problems. You stop trading and you try to see what are these problems that prevent me from making money. Okay? This is what we call break even. Another thing. If you lost money, this is worse. Why? Because you don't understand anything from the game. All what you learn are false information. False, what we call wrong knowledge. Okay? Wrong knowledge, it means you think that this makes the money because other people online or in books, they told you if you follow this you make the money. But they are wrong. Okay? They are wrong. You don't see he is a guru, he's in TV, or he is a very famous. No. Don't see that. See yourself, because it's you that want to make the money, not him. He's famous. He's making the money without working anymore. Okay, he's just showing and the TV. They give him $100,000 or $50,000 just when he shows himself and he speaks. Okay, these people are famous and they get money without working anymore. Okay, they don't work. They don't go to stock market. They have money for free. So why they risk their money in stock market? Okay, now it's for you to understand. It's your responsibility to learn by yourself, or to have a trainer or coach to coach you, or it means you should find solutions to your problems. Now, all this, what I spoke here in this session, is what the strategy. The strategy is the combination of all the things I have spoken here. If you take one of these components and you don't use it, it will affect your trading performance next year. Okay? If you don't know how to follow a trend, how can you make the money? If you don't know your risk in each trade, how can you make the money? You tell me how. You just buy 10,000 shares or 20,000 shares or whatever you buy, and tomorrow you sell, and you have no plan. You have no where to put your stop loss. You don't know how to follow the trend. You don't know how position sizing. How many shares you buy for each position. You don't know your risk. And the worst of all, you don't know how to manage your money in your account. It's a big problem. All this you should know by time. Don't stress yourself or get frustrated because you don't know all this. But you need time. Even if you have a day job or a night job, it is not a big problem. Okay, take a few minutes or half an hour each day and try to study these things that I am speaking. I will put just a list down there, at least for those who want just to see the list, and try to go online, to go to books. Believe me, you go to books, you go online, you will find little information, but the information that makes the money, you will never find it online or in books. This because I have done it myself before and I don't find. So I search myself and I find solutions, and then I begin to make the money. When I begin to make the money, it's very easy right now. But before, I lost my money. I lost all my money because I don't know. I have never heard what is position sizing. I don't know that you should plan for a trade. Say what? Plan for a trade. Okay, this is stock, I buy it. A few days I make the money, that's it. What's this plan the trade and put stop loss? Or, oh, I put stop loss? No, I don't put stop loss. Because it goes down, it hit my stop, I lose. Okay. Since you have all these wrong ideas that are in your mind, how can you make the money? And you ask yourself each year in December, when we finish the whole year, and in January, you tell yourself, why I don't make money last year? Oh, it's Wall Street guys. Whenever I buy stock, they see me and they short it. So I lose money. It's not me. The other guy has given me a stock. Oh, that man, he gives me a stock in a chat room. Wow. But I lose money. That guy, if I catch him, I will do something for him. Okay? I will, if I catch him. And I was in forum. Some people, they give me this company and they say it's the best company of America. I bought it for 2 years, 3 years. The stock doesn't go up. Man, that man, he gave me false information. And maybe this is not the stock that he is buying, but he bought another one. Now, if you continue like playing like this, going to chat rooms, going to forums, going to someone who will you subscribe, or I don't know, and you stay 2 years, 3 years working, but at the end, you see there is no money coming. And at the end, you will begin to understand that there is a game. Now, what is this game? This game is game of Wall Street. If you don't understand all the steps of a strategy, anyone has a different strategy, but most of the strategy have the same component. But each professional trader try to make some rules different from the other because it fits his personality, it fits his way of trading. Okay, there are some swing traders, they stay just few days. Some they say weeks, some they say months. Depend on the strategy that you are using. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any question about all this, just comment, thumb it up, or subscribe if you don't. If you need like a special attention, like a special or delicate question, you can just email me from YouTube, or from my email. You can just check my account, my YouTube account, and then you send me an email. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and a nice weekend. Thank you very much.